guys, welcome to my channel. My name is Yashas. Today I am gonna be drawing a realistic eye tutorial step by step so that you guys can draw it with me or learn how to draw it or see me drawing. Let's get started. So guys, for the eye drawing tutorial I'm gonna be using graphite pencils. You can use any graphite pencils, there's no such brand, and I'm gonna be using erasers and an earbud for blending. Okay guys, and don't forget to use a sharpener to sharpen your graphite pencils. Now I'm gonna be drawing the outline with a HP pencil.
I've got that lightning inside me, son of a god. I'm like a titan that's rising, oh just you watch. I'm stepping into fate, there is no time to waste. I've got that lightning inside.
And guys, if you need a reference image of this eye, it's in the description, so you can go and check the image out.
This is how legends are made.
So guys, now with the same HP pencil you can shade the eyeball. You don't need the lead to be so sharp, so that if it's not sharp you'll get finer lines, and just keep shading the eyeball. So this basically HP is the base color we are gonna do right now. Now let's take a earbud and blend it.
It's mine. Show you the harder the battle, harder I fight.
Now take a 10B pencil, and you see that ball is type thing right there. Now shade that with the 10B pencil.
This
Now take a 4B pencil and add a bit of shade on the top of the eyeball.
is how legends are made. I'm cranking up on the throttle,
Now
victory.
blend the shade you did with the 4B pencil with the help of a earbud, and just add a finishing touch for that shade and blend it. Now after you're done with the shade, you must draw like a texture in the eyeball. Take a 4B pencil and draw the texture. It's pretty simple, you just have to draw straight lines. Okay, so after you're done with that, blend at the edges, like at the deep edges of them, blend it. Now take a 6B pencil and make some lines darker there, and make some lines lighter, and just blend it. The thing is, the main content here is you have to get the texture, the darker towards the edge and the lighter towards the thing, and darken the thing on the top. So that's how eye is made. So guys, this is how it looks when you finish it. So we are done with the eyeball, and to add a bit of highlights, take a eraser with a sharp edge or a sharp corner, and add the highlights. As you can see, add like that. Now take a 10B pencil and let's get going with the eyelid. Shade the eyelid with the same 10B pencil. Shade it darker towards the left and let it become lighter towards the right. Now take a 4B pencil and shade the part which is on the right. So you will have that shade effect. So I don't want to waste your time, so this is how you want to do it. Okay, And after you're done with that, it looks kinda like this. Now take a synthetic brush. You can use a makeup brush, but don't use a painting brush, and try to blend this shade so that it looks like darker to lighter. I'm blending it with a blending brush. You can use an earbud if you don't have a blending brush.
I'm cranking up on the throttle. This is how legends are made. This is how legends are made.
Now take a 8B pencil and let's draw the eyelashes. So make sure the eyelashes are dark towards the eyelid and lighter where it goes above, so it's just like a stroke. So observe and draw each stroke carefully. So after you draw, like below the eyelid, shade it and blend it so it blends well. And take a HP pencil now and shade the outer part, but before you shade, make sure you erase so that it's white. Now let's get shading.
This is how legends are made. Like iron from the fire, getting stronger. This is how legends are made.
Now take a 2B pencil and shade the above part of the thing what we just shaded, and make sure you blend it so that you get a bit of shadow effect. Make sure you do it in the bottom also, even on the top, and make sure like it goes from darker to lighter from the top to down. Now take a normal Apsara pencil and you draw the nerves. I don't know what do they call them, but I call them nerves. So you draw the nerves from the left side. Now take a HP pencil and shade the right side of the part out of the eyelid. I don't know what do they say. Now take a 4B pencil and make the border darker, and take a blending brush and blend it. Okay, so so that's done. Now take a 10B pencil and do the left side part of the eye. Now take a normal pencil and the teardrop or the eye drop, make sure that thing is white, and take a HP pencil right now and shade the part around the teardrop, and make sure you shade it a bit darker around it so that it looks like a teardrop, just like that. Now take a 2B pencil and shade the eyelid on the top.
This is how legends are made.
HP pencil and darken the thing by adding a bit of shades, darker sides, lighter sides. Now take a 6B pencil and draw a bit of texture right there and blend it so it has that shade effect.
Untouchable, a new animal. This is how legends are made.
Now with the same HP pencil, shade the lower eyelid, and this is how it looks, the final result. Hope you guys like this video. Please like, share and subscribe.